working from home is no longer a passing fad. It's a real and growing opportunity. In 2025, more people than ever before are generating income without leaving their homes, taking advantage of technology and changes in the way we work. Today I'm going to show you 5 proven methods for making money online that you can start this month, even if you're starting from scratch. And be careful. At the end I will tell you which of these ways is the fastest to generate your first income. First way. Freelance on platforms. Freelancing is about offering your skills to clients around the world, without a fixed contract. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or freelancer.com allow you to post your services and receive requests. In 2025, the demand for freelancers continues to grow in areas such as graphic design, logos, banners, book covers, writing and copywriting articles, product descriptions, programming and web development, translations or subtitling of videos. Real example on Fiverr. A Colombian designer who creates ebook covers charges between $15 and $50 per design. If you do 3 jobs a day, you can make $900 to $3,000 a month working from home. Tip: create a profile with visual examples and initial reviews offering a low price to build reputation. Second way, selling digital products. A digital product is something you create once and can sell infinitely, without physical inventory. Examples: ebooks, manuals, recipes, practical guides, online courses teaching a language, video editing, marketing, templates, Excel, Canva, Notion. Resumes platforms to sell, Etsy templates and creative resources, Gumroad, ebooks, guides, Udemy or Hotmart, online courses. Real example. A Spanish designer sells planning templates on Etsy for $8 each, with 400 sales per month. He earns $3,200 without shipping anything physical. Tip: start with something simple that solves a specific problem and improve with feedback from your buyers. Third way. Affiliate marketing. It involves recommending products or services and earning a commission every time someone purchases through your link. Amazon affiliates. Commissions of 3% to 10%. N or ClickBank digital products with commissions of 30% to 70%. Software affiliates. Many apps offer recurring commissions, for example, design or management tools. Real example. A tech content creator on TikTok reviews cheap gadgets. Each purchase from your Amazon link gives you commissions that, added together, can reach $1,500, $5,000 a month. Tip: choose products you actually use, so your recommendation will be more credible. Fourth form. Social media management. Many small businesses and entrepreneurs don't have time to manage their social media and are looking for someone who can create engaging posts, reply to messages, schedule content, analyze statistics, platforms to find clients, LinkedIn direct contact with companies, Workana or Facebook groups of entrepreneurs. Real example. A social media manager in Mexico charges $300 a month to manage a coffee shop's Instagram and Facebook pages, posting 3 times a week with 10 clients. That would be $3,000 a month. Tip: learn to use tools like Canva and Buffer to work faster. Fifth way. Invest in the stock market from apps. Today, it's possible to start investing from your mobile phone with very small amounts thanks to apps like eToro, Trading 212 or Robinhood. You can buy stocks, ETFs or even cryptocurrencies. Real example. A person who started investing $50 a month in an S&P 500 ETF in 2020 would have about $4,000 in compound interest by 2025, not counting dividends. Tip: start with long-term investments and amounts that won't hurt your finances if you lose money. As you can see, in 2025 there are more opportunities than ever to make money from home. You don't have to master them all. Choose one, dedicate time to it, and learn from the experience. The best time to start was yesterday, but the second best time is today. Which of these options would you try first?